Welcome to CSS Day 5. Today we'll learn how element behaved on web page using powerful display properties. Here we shall see how to use block, inline, and inline block. At the end of this video, you'll be able to build this project using this display property. Let's just start. This is the output we have here on this web page, and this is the editor we are going to use. We are going to start with block element. Normally, block element is just used to when you use this element, it starts a new line. Let's jump on it. We see how it works. This is the box. This box is we are targeting this element here. We are going to say display block. Then to be able to see how this works very well, let's just add the background. Background, the color, which is going to just use blue, you can see. And this means it takes a full width, which is available. That's how it works. Then if we go to to inline element, stays online. This says in the same line. Let's just have this. We just want to erase out this. We say item. Item. We can let's say let's say item 1. I just want to multiply this. You can see item 2, item 3. So if we come here on CSS and we say UL, IL, then we say display inline. Made a mistake here. Yes, you can see that it has put it has aligned them on the same line, no blocking, no what, just on the same, stay in the same line. Actually, width and height usually do not work properly. It's the same as actually it works also the same as you can do Spain. Why not this? Why like this? You can say HTML, and I just want to multiply them. Just use CSS. CSS. Yeah, it works actually like this, as you can see. Use Java, as you can see here, using the say in the same line. That's how it works. So let's jump in the inline blocks. Actually, in inline blocks, this one normally causes an element to generate a block box that will fill with surrounding contents. Let's just also do this. We can just do this. Yep, just quickly display I just want to take this instead of using, say, maybe box 1. I just want to use box 1 here, and 2, 3, and let's target this box. Just want to grab this, and maybe I can let me just grab this. It's okay. Then I say this display inline box. You can see how it aligned them also. Then let's just keep designing add some width so that you can see how it is also nice to use this. You can see it is also great. I just want to use also just background. Let me just use the sky blue. Yes, you can see how this work. And let me just use also height of 800 pixels. Yes, you can see that's how this normally works, and actually it is all nice. So that's how we use these 3 property displayed for inline block and inline box. So let's just jump in to the project of ours we are going to use. We can still use this this box since they are the same, or since they are the same also we want to use. I just want to make sure this box, just adding h2, h2, oh okay, let me just use this one I don't want this video to take long. Yep, this one I just want it to be short, as long as you can understand how these things work. This is nice. Let me just do this little bit. Yep. Yeah. Then, and yeah, after this, I went to add another div here, which called boxes. Oh, boxes. Nice one. Just to make sure our project is okay. Then after here, I'm first going to target this to arrange this very well. Let me just take this off, and I do this. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to say justify content. I just use center, and I want to display them using another property we shall see in candidate code flex, which also take them on the same line. And then I come to this box. I say background is yep. Then we're going to again use this display inline, which is inline display. Let's use this inline block display and add some width of 350 pixels and the height of 100 pixels and margin of 10 pixels. So while I'm here, I want to show you something else. When we use this display properties of none, it is going to hide everything you see here on this display. Let's do this. You see, you can see that everything now has disappeared. Nothing so far is there. That's how this property of none, well, actually it hides. That's it. Let's just again put inline block and continue with text align center, and let me just use a border. Just want a border radius. I use everything we have learned, even sometime we add the new, so that you can learn many things at the same time, so that you can be able to design your things in the way you want. So I also want to add some margin up here, which is 20 on the top of this, so that this can also be nice or look great. That's it. Then the last one I want to add, it is this one of this is navigation bar. Navigation bar, it is something great when it comes to design, to build a website how this. So this one, these links look very well. This is we are going to use inline. You see how we can use this navigation bar. So inline it can work. I just remember that you also use this inline block. You say just use background of 3 black, and let's just use padding of 20 pixels. I forgot to close this here up. Then text align center still. You can see how it looks, and we target particular link, which we call here link a tag. Then we just give it a color of white. You can see here. Then after this, we just say text decoration of none. Remove those underlines, and then margin of top and bottom, it's gonna be 0. Left and right is gonna be 15 pixels. Yes. And what else? Display. That's to display also an inline block, of course. Maybe we can just add the font size of 18 pixels. Yes, which is also cool. But because of what is here, not seeing something right here. It's let me close this. Yep, yeah, that's it. Then what's the last one? Last one, we're going to hover this, so that in case you move because so just near it changes, color has to become yellow, and the text decoration, then now at this time it has to underline, so that when you do this, you can see here on our links, when you just move over it, it works. Then the last one I want to just make so that it looks like this. It is targeting HTML. I just made it as a class. Then I just say color yellow, no, orange, and CSS has to be blue, and the JavaScript has to be what? It is it default. You can just even make it right words. Yeah, well, no. Let me just see it. Right, green, like this one. Yep. That's it. It's somehow the same, only the different enough on this, that only the HR, which is this or this one. Yep. Otherwise, yeah, that's it now. That's it. So far, what we have done, we have covered CSS box model, padding, margin, border, centering with auto boxing size. Oh no, this is not. It's so I'm sorry guys, it's not. So far I've covered inline box, and after inline box and box and inline and even display. Now those are display properties. So far we have covered, and I think everyone is going to know how to use this so that can be able to continue or to design according to his wish. So thank you very much. See you. That's our result. Keep practicing, guys. Practice makes perfect. See you next.